Welcome to AI Frontiers. Today's episode explores the new frontiers of language AI, moving beyond basic fluency to systems that understand context and consequence. This presentation synthesizes 60 papers from December 4th and 5th, 2025, revealing how computational linguistics is transforming into a field focused on reliability, cultural awareness, and real-world impact. This presentation offers a unique snapshot of a field in transformation. 60 papers from a single productive 48-hour window on the arXiv preprint server have been analyzed. This is not a curated list of the best papers, but rather a cross-section of the field's simultaneous heartbeat. 5 dominant themes reshaping computational linguistics will be discovered. Groundbreaking findings that challenge conventional wisdom will be explored. 3 seminal papers that capture the spirit of this new era will be introduced. The field of computation and language has a core mission: to bridge human communication and machine understanding. Its evolution has progressed from rule-based systems to statistical methods to deep learning, and now toward context-aware AI. The current challenge is moving beyond sheer scale to prioritize quality and reliability. New priorities include robustness in specialized domains, cultural awareness, and computational efficiency. The stakes involve real-world impact in critical areas like healthcare, education, and global communication. The first major research theme is robustness in specialized domains. This involves moving AI from chat windows into high-stakes environments. A healthcare focus is evident, with work tackling medical hallucination using context-aware models. Research by Emre Umuku and colleagues aligns models for empathetic healthcare dialogue. Work by Namu Park and team demonstrates that anatomy-aware prompting allows large language models to beat traditional supervised models in radiology tasks. The key insight is that specialized prompting can unlock expert-level clinical reasoning. The future points toward domain-specific assistance, not general-purpose chatbots. The second theme is advancing reasoning and mitigating hallucination. This focuses on engineering more structured and efficient model thinking. Research by Rulin Lee and team introduces the ETCON, or Edit Then Consolidate, method which ensures factual edits stick through a consolidation stage. Work by Omer Faruk Akul and others presents the LYNX system, which prevents wasteful overthinking. A key technical concept is early exit mechanisms, which can save 40 to 65% of compute on math problems. The goal is to create models that know when to trust intuition versus when to engage in deep deliberation. The impact is faster, more reliable reasoning for real-time applications. The third powerful theme is multilingual and cultural expansion, representing a pushback against English-centric AI. Research by David Anugraha and team created the M4-RAG benchmark, covering 42 languages and 56 dialects. Pooja Singh and colleagues lead Adibhasha, a project creating corpora for Indian tribal languages. The Say Safeguard bench exposes safety filter failures in Southeast Asian cultural contexts. Chris Crawford developed linguistically-informed tokenizers for Yoloxóchitl Mixtec. The clear message is that true language intelligence must be globally inclusive to be considered intelligent at all. From the 60 papers, 4 groundbreaking insights rise to the surface. Finding 1. Anatomy-aware prompting allows large language models to surpass specialized clinical models in fine-grained tasks. Finding 2. Expert persona prompts do not reliably improve factual accuracy, as shown by Severe Basil and team. Finding 3. Retrieval-augmented generation, or RAG, boosts small models dramatically, but can paradoxically hurt the performance of very large models. Finding 4. Confidence-based early exiting can save substantial compute without sacrificing accuracy. A common thread is that context and efficiency now matter more than sheer scale alone. Researchers are wielding a sophisticated and evolving methodological toolkit. Preference optimization techniques like direct preference optimization and self-rewarding loops are used for nuanced alignment. Retrieval-augmented generation remains the dominant architectural pattern for grounding models in factual sources. Structured reasoning methods, such as group relative policy optimization, reward groups of outputs based on complex criteria like style or structure. Self-improvement frameworks enable models to generate and critique their own training data. Conformal prediction provides statistical guarantees for trustworthy deployment, adding mathematical rigor to systems like early exit mechanisms. The first highlighted paper is "Do You Feel Comfortable? Detecting Hidden Conversational Escalation in AI Chatbots" by Ji-Hong Park and colleagues from 2025. It addresses the problem of chatbots causing user distress through subtle emotional drift, termed implicit harm. The innovation is a method called Gauge, which monitors shifts in the dialogue's effective state in real time. It works by using the model's own next token predictions as an internal emotional seismograph. Its significance lies in moving AI safety from simple content filtering to monitoring psychological well-being. This has essential impact for the development of companion and mental health AI applications. The second seminal paper focuses on linguistic equity through design, Chris Crawford's work on tokenizers for Yoloxóchitl Mixtec. The challenge is that standard tokenizers like byte-pair encoding butcher languages with non-concatenative morphology, such as tonal changes. The innovation is a segment and melody tokenizer that separates tonal melodies from consonants and vowels. The result is that these linguistically informed tokenizers can beat standard models on word error rate for speech recognition. The technical concept involves aligning the model's architecture with the language's inherent structure. The broader significance is that this provides a blueprint for building more efficient and equitable multilingual AI systems. The third paper is arXiv, a globally diverse, artist-centric benchmark for retrieval-augmented music question answering by Daeyong Kwon and team from 2025. It addresses a gap in culturally diverse music knowledge within AI systems. Its contribution is twofold: the MusWikiDB, a curated database of over 3.2 million passages, and the arXiv benchmark of 1,000 crafted questions. A key finding is that retrieval augmentation boosted an 8 billion parameter model's accuracy from 35% to over 91%. The significance is that it shows smaller, open-source models can compete with giants by leveraging curated external knowledge. An implication is that it challenges Western-centric biases inherent in model training data. Looking ahead, several key future directions are indicated by the research. A major puzzle to solve is the retrieval knowledge mismatch, where retrieval can hurt the performance of very large models. There is a need for the development of more holistic, culturally aware evaluation benchmarks. Creating scalable alignment methods for instilling nuanced human values across cultures remains an open challenge. The field is moving toward more agentic and hierarchical model architectures capable of planning and multi-step tasks. Finally, there is a clear embrace of community-driven participatory research approaches to ensure equitable technology development. This presentation was synthesized using the GPT DeepSeek model, specifically DeepSeek Chat. Text-to-speech synthesis for audio narration was performed using DeepGram. Image generation concepts were created via Stable Diffusion. A human expert review was conducted for accuracy and coherence. It is important to note that while reviewed, some oversights may exist. All references to the original research papers are provided for further exploration. To stay connected with AI frontiers, subscribe to our YouTube channel for weekly research deep dives. The channel is named AI Frontiers. Its description is your guide to cutting-edge AI research, synthesized and explained. Listeners are invited to join our community of researchers, developers, and AI enthusiasts. Subscribe to never miss an update on the latest breakthroughs in computational linguistics. In conclusion, a new paradigm is emerging. The key shift is towards specialization through grounding rather than relying on omniscient generalist models. Efficiency is now a first-class citizen in design, making AI more accessible and deployable. The field is embracing its global responsibility by building culturally aware and equitable systems. The overall trajectory is toward AI that understands context, respects diversity, and reliably augments human capability. In this podcast, we bring you the latest breakthroughs in computer science and AI, straight from the arXiv preprint server. From neural networks to quantum computing, we simplify complex research so you can stay ahead. Whether you're a developer, researcher, or tech enthusiast, AI Frontiers keeps you informed daily. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe for daily updates. See you tomorrow with more cutting-edge AI insights. Disclaimer: this podcast uses arXiv preprint server content under its API terms of use. AI Frontiers is not affiliated with or endorsed by the arXiv preprint server.